Dumpster rental service in Manchester Township, New Jersey. When it comes to maintaining a clean and clutter-free environment, proper waste management is the key. Whether you're working on a home renovation project, clearing out your garage, or managing a construction site, TSF Disposal offers reliable and efficient dumpster rental services in Manchester Township, New Jersey. This service is designed to make your waste removal process smooth and hassle-free, giving you more time to focus on the task at hand. Whether you're working on a small home cleanup or a large-scale construction site, TSF Disposal offers the right container size to accommodate your waste. The company prides itself on timely deliveries and quick pickups, ensuring that you won't face any delays in your schedule. Their services are affordable, making it easy to get the dumpster you need without overspending. Our expert team is always ready to guide you in selecting the perfect dumpster size, ensuring that you have enough space for your waste without unnecessary costs. No matter what kind of project you're planning, TSF Disposal is here to simplify the waste removal process for you. With a strong reputation for reliability, affordability, and expert customer service, they are the go-to choice for dumpster rentals in Manchester Township, New Jersey. You can contact them at 732-691-8102 to learn more about their services or to schedule a rental.